Guess what I'm going to share with you today? I'm going to share about our fantabulous Wayanad trip. Wayanad is a district in Kerala. We stayed in Kalpetta for 2 days. It's a hilly region. It was very sunny, but very cold in the mornings and evenings. In Kerala, they speak in Malayalam. They understand Tamil though. There are few other popular places to stay, like Vaitari and Sultar Battari. We enjoyed our stay in the Woodrose resort. We had lovely view of the Chembra Peak. We had a bunk bed in our room. We had surprise visitors, monkeys. We saw biggest spiders ever too. We did lots of cycling. We played carom board. We played in the slides and roundabouts in the play area. We enjoyed breakfast and dinner there. We played in the swings in Banasura Park and climbing walls, slides, sandpit in the Karapuzha Park. Banasura Spice Garden had lots of plants which produces spices like pepper, cardamom, cloves, cinnamon, bay leaf. We had a look at how they make chocolates. We played in their treetop for a while. We had visited Uravu bamboo workshop. They carved beautiful home decors out of bamboo. We got to know bamboo rice payasam, how healthy it is. We enjoyed the food during our stay. We tried various fish curries and biryanis. We had a lovely walk through the plant varieties at the Regional Agricultural Research Station. The place was huge. We had a look at the cultivation fields. We visited Kanthanpara Falls, played in the water for a while. Isn't it a wonderful experience, you think? Please do visit Wayanad if you haven't yet.